This video I am going to tell you how you can connect Nightbot to your Discord server. So for this you need to open google.com and type in Nightbot and click on search. So you need to open this link, nightbot.tv. So simply open this link, and after that you need to sign up an account here, or you can simply log in if you have account. So I have account, so I will just log in. You need to enter your sign in credential. You can log in with YouTube, Twitch, or you can use Trovo, or you can log into your account. Once you are logged into your Nightbot account, you will get these options, and after getting this option you need to select the appropriate option, which is integration. You can see at the left hand side integrations. So just tap on this, and herein you will get an option or to connect to Discord. So simply tap on Discord here, and now you will ask an option to enter your Discord email ID and password to complete the connection. So you need to enter your email ID, phone number and password. So simply log into your Discord account. So after logging into your account, it will ask you for authorization. You just need to tap on this option, authorize, and you can see you can join the server from here. You can simply join the server. If it is showing no server yet to join, so simply click on join server, or you can simply close. You are already connected now. You are connected to Discord, and whenever you want to disconnect it, and you can simply click on disconnect here. You can also go to settings and check all the appropriate settings. You can, if you have a server, you can also join a server from here. So you can join server, Discord account, or you can, if you are disconnected, you can simply click on disconnect option and confirm the disconnect. So I hope friends now you will be able to do it. If you still face any problem, you can comment below and I will definitely give you reply. If you find this video helpful, just hit on the like button and also subscribe my channel for upcoming videos.